Okay, I bought this hair clipper right here, but before I bought it, I saw it on Wmark website. It was there, and a week later, it was on AliExpress, so I bought it, and now I never see it on AliExpress anymore. The link doesn't work anymore. I don't know why. So I'm gonna unbox this hair clipper. This is Wmark with the model number NG1060. So stay tuned. Yo, here we are again. Today we're gonna unbox a brand new hair clipper from Wmark. This hair clipper right here with the model number. Where's the model number? NG1060. So this is the box right here, so you can see. Okay. So now the specs. Got a 7,500 RPMs and a 2,000 milliamp battery. USB Type C, and what else? LCD display. Got 8 guide combs, 3 hours charging time, and 150 minutes operating time. Okay. So this is it. It looks exactly the same like the one of Build Pro and Kemi. I'm gonna put the picture right here where you can really see it. But Wmark also got the same like Build Pro and Kemi, but they bring this one also out, and I guess it's a little bit different from the other one, and I'm gonna tell you. So now let's open it up. Okay. Okay, it's like this, you can see. Okay. This is the clipper. Okay, but first of all, let's put it down. Inside, like I said before, comes with 8 guide combs, manual, oil, and charging cable. Charging cable with a little brush. That's it. So, nothing special. Nothing special. Okay. This is the clipper with a clicking lever. It's a clicking lever, so you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 clicking lever. Okay. Charging port, USB-C, power button. Okay. Comes with a fade blade with the ridges. Okay. And so now let's make a sound check. Very smooth, just like the older version. Not bad. But the body is plastic. Not a bad plastic. It feels good on the hand. Okay. This is how much. Okay. So. It's not heavy, and it's not really light also, so it's really perfect. Got just one speed. why I really like this hair clipper, simply because the way it's shaped, you know, it comes straight like this, then a little bit like this, you know. That's what I really like about this hair clipper. And when you are cutting hair with it, it feels really nice on the hand. Really, not all clipper is like this, you know. Another clipper that I saw, it's like this. It's I guess it's Stylecraft Evo or something like that. And this hair clipper is also like that. So you can see, like this, then curved. Not all clippers are like this, believe me. And this one and this one almost the same shape, you know. See that? But the difference between these two, this one you can push forward. You see that? Now the shape is different. You see that? You can pull back. You can pull back, which is good. I like it like this, more like this. This is what makes this clipper unique. And the sound, really good.